This is the Maimo Watch from a Xiaomi ecosystem company called 70My. When I first saw it, I thought it looked premium, it has really elegant colors and a huge display. It's only 41 grams, so it's really light on the wrist and also comfortable to wear. By the way, this watch is only 139 ringgit. So is the Maimo Watch any good? Let's find out. Now, I know some of us dislike smartwatches with small display because it makes it really hard to read, and sometimes we are misled by smartwatches that look like they have huge displays but turns out to be smaller screens with thick bezels. Well, that's not the case with this watch. The Maimo Watch has a 1.69-inch touchscreen with bezels that aren't as thick as some of the other smartwatches I've tried out. Now, because it's using a TFT LCD panel, the colors aren't as sharp and vibrant as compared to AMOLED watches. However, it does have good readability under sunlight, so even if we're standing under the hot sunlight right now, you can actually see the display clearly. There are many watch faces to choose from, but my personal favorite is these two kitties hugging each other. There are about 50 other different watch faces, and in the future, you can even use your own photos as your watch face after an update that is set to release in September. Personally, this is my favorite color variant of the Maimo Watch, but I also really like the matcha green one. So these two options come with different strap colors, but they share the same rose gold casing. But you can also go for the black casing with black strap for a more classic feel, or the black casing with orange strap if you want something more striking. Okay, so one of the reasons why this watch caught my attention is because it's really affordable, yet it offers a bunch of health monitoring features that some budget fitness trackers and smartwatches just don't offer. From the more basic ones like step counts, heart rate and sleep tracking to advanced features like stress and blood oxygen level monitoring, the Maimo Watch has them all. I can even choose to see a brief summary of my health data on the watch or go to the Maimo Fit app for a more extensive report. Of course, no smartwatch is complete without fitness features, so the Maimo Watch is capable of tracking 12 different exercises with an extra freestyle mode for any workouts that aren't included in it. You get most of the common workouts like walking, cycling, running, and you can even track swimming because this watch comes with 5 ATM rating, so it'll function perfectly well even if you're underwater for up to 5 meters. One interesting fitness feature is the AI running competitor. So with this, you kind of have a virtual companion that runs at a set pace. I think this is an interesting one if you are motivated by a little competition because it makes you want to keep up with or outrun your little AI friend. Despite being an entry-level smartwatch, the Maimo Watch offers up to 10 days of battery life. So I really dislike having to charge my devices often, so having a watch that only needs to be charged once every 1.5 weeks is really convenient to me. It also means that I can go on short vacations without needing to bring the charger, and since this is a smartwatch, of course you can get smartphone notifications, and you can even pick which app you don't want the watch to get notifications. So for example, if you don't want Shopee or email notifications appearing on your watch, you can actually turn them off in the app. There's also music playback and support for Amazon Alexa, but unfortunately Alexa isn't available in Malaysia, so it's a bit of a pity that we can't use them. Perhaps in the future, Maimo Watch will support other voice assistants like Siri or Google Assistant so that it can cater to more smartphone users. I mentioned in the beginning that this is an affordable smartwatch because it's only priced at 139 ringgit, yet it comes with an extensive set of features. It does offer value for money, but you have to bear with the slightly laggy UI, which hopefully can be resolved through a software update in the future. Other than that, the Maimo Watch is practical, it's fashionable, it's a good choice if you are restricted by a tight budget but you still want a good smartwatch. Plus, you can get the Maimo Watch with 2 different straps by paying an extra 10 ringgit. So in my case, I would have paid 149 ringgit just to get the white and green straps so I can switch between them whenever I like. So if you're interested in getting the Maimo Watch, I will leave the purchase link in the description box down below. You can check that out. And that's it for our video today. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel KLGadgetTV, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!